top. There's the vertical solder. Remember, the solder will drip back down, but we're going to push it right back up in there. And notice when the solder does start to take, I kind of pull the flame away, and I go back and forth with it. Let's hit that again. Okay, now we're going to hit our horizontal joint. Notice how it makes a neat joint? That's because we wiped off the excess flux. Some people don't wipe off the excess flux, and that's when they have kind of a messy looking job. I mean, it works, but you can do it, make it look good, make it look good. We're also going to put a fitting up here at the top to go outside to catch the outside faucet. Now you see the cold side, and you see it, we ran it through the floor joists. It's coming up over the ductwork, back out at this end, and here it is. Now we're going to take that pipe and we're going to run it across the joist next to the beam here. And then we're going to come back down where the main water service, existing water service is. And we're just going to leave it right there for now until we make our tie-in. So we're just going to drop it and just leave it right there hanging. And also,